Hello, hi, good day, everyone. This is Mr. Patrick Greatwealth. So today, it's very important that I share something with all of us. Okay, very very important. Now, this is we're in the middle of the year, you know, as it were, and it's very important, that do, we take certain steps or certain actions. All right, as regards to our finances. Okay, and this particular video certainly is about how to use a TGR, top up and get reward, to raise exactly 1 million naira in 90 days. 1 million naira in 90 days. So 1 million naira in 90 days. I hope you heard me correctly. Okay? So if you talk about 1 million naira in 90 days, what we are just saying is you're going to be making 11,000 naira a day. 11,000 naira a day. All right. Okay. So let me begin. You already know what Top Up Get Reward is about. Top Up Get Reward is your fantastic virtual top up portal for recharging airtime, data. You can pay your electricity bill or bills. You can pay your cable TV bills like your DSTV, StarTimes, GoTV. All right. Now, every time that you get to uh, pay these bills via the Top Up and Get Reward VTU portal, excuse me, you're getting paid, sending commissions back to you for making the effort. So we have three different kind of users of this portal. We have regular users who are those who are just using the portal to for transactions, basically for recharging and paying bills, and both for themselves and other people. Then we have those who are vendors or agents who are into the business of recharge cards or selling e-pins or those who help people to pay bills. Okay. Then we have the people we call the business partners or affiliate marketers. Now, I want to show you something how you can make 1 million naira in 90 days. Okay. As a business partner, of course, who has the privilege of being a user or even selling the telecom products from Top Up and Get Reward. All right. So now, first of all, as a business partner or affiliate marketer, it means that you are marketing the VTU portal and you are introducing people, all right, to Top Up and Get Reward to sign up to own their own portals, and then they get to pay, you know, a subscription package, right? They pay a membership subscription package, okay? And that package is a one-time payment and it's for life. All right, it's a one-time payment and it's for life. So this particular page is showing you the packages. All right, so we have the Pearl Mini 2005, Pearl Package 5,000, Coral Package 10,000, Emerald Package 20,000, Sapphire 30,000, Ruby Package 40,000, Diamond Package 50,000, and the Executive Diamond Package also is 100,000, right? And then you can start from whatever level and upgrade by paying a difference, all right? But now, for the sake of this particular presentation, hitting 1 million naira in 90 days, I'm going to show you how you can achieve that with different packages. I'll show you how you can achieve it with the Pearl package. I'll show you how you can achieve it with the Coral package, all right? And probably the Diamond package, so that you can see what's possible. So you can see what's possible for you. Sorry about that. So you can see what's possible for you with Top Up and Get Reward, all right? So let me start first of all with the Pearl package. So let's start with the Pearl package, okay? Let's start with the Pearl package. I don't want to take too much time. Just want to get to, yeah. All right, so this is the Pearl package. Now, the strategy used to accomplish this result or to get this result is called the Fantastic 10. Fantastic 10 strategy. The Fantastic 10 strategy. Now, you can also do it with a Fantastic 20 strategy, but let's even say you're using the Fantastic 10 strategy. So, what does Fantastic 10 strategy mean? Fantastic 10 strategy is a strategy whereby everybody who has made up his mind to be a business partner or an affiliate marketer who intends to market, all right, intentionally, the TGR VTU portal will get to sign up a minimum of 10 new business partners or 10 people, right, in a specific period of time. Now, to accomplish this, you can do it in two ways. You can do it in 2 weeks, so you can use a 2 week time interval or time period, or you can use a 30 days. So you can use a 15 days time period, you can use a 30 days time period. So I'll show you examples using, or I'll explain examples using the 15 days and the 30 days, and based on the strategy that we're using and the packages that I'll show you. All right, so this is the pure package of 5,000 naira. You can see that on the screen, is written down here on the screen. All right, so remember, everyone coming for this is coming here because they know they want to be business partners or affiliate marketers or intentionally marketing this portal. So don't come and tell us that, hey, I just want to be using it for myself and my family. I want to be selling a charge card and I want to make 1 million in 90 days. No, we are saying those who are coming on board this particular challenge or strategy is because they want to become, at least for the period of the strategy, they want to become business partners or affiliate marketers or intentionally marketing the portal. So now let's use 15 days time frame. All right. Now, if you're using a 15-day time frame, it means that you're going to get 10 people signed up in 15 days. 15 days is 2 weeks. 2 weeks is enough time to get 10 people interested to sign up with you. All right. And when these people come in, you let them know about the possibilities or the potentials of also becoming business partners. So whether they all decide to become business partners or not, but at first you meet your first task of 10 signups. And if you do this in 15 days, that means your level one will be completed in 15 days, your first 15 days. All right. So in the first 15 days, you sign up 10 persons on the Pearl package. Your earning is 10,040, which is okay. And then you have generated 100 PV, right? With under your structure. Now, in the second 15 days, which will make it 30 days now. In the second 15 days, these are your 10 guys. Or let's say you do your 10 in 15 days, let the 10 do theirs in 30 days. That's the best. I think that's the best way to make the work a bit easier, because there are more persons, so you need a bit of a longer time frame for them to deliver, right? So we're going to have you do 10, all right, in 15 days, and the next 30 days you need your 10 to get their 10 each. So after the 30 days, you'll be earning 23,000 naira here, right? And then you have generated 1,000 PV. Now, that's already 1 month, and that's 1.5 months. That's more like 45 days, remaining another 45 days. Now, in the next 30 days, you are expecting, right, your 100 persons to do 10 each. At this level, which is your third level, you are making 237,000 here and 10,000 PV. Now, 10,000 PV will fetch you about 100,000. 10,000 PV will fetch you about 120,000 from as incentive from the company, plus 230,000. That's already uh, so 120, 320. That's about 350,000. So here you already have about 370,000 thereabout already made as at 60 days. No, sorry, about 75 days. Now, there's something that you will also be doing by the side. Every time you're now, after you got your first 10, right? So your guys now did their 100. While they were doing their 100, you go for another 10. You go for another 10. And when you go for another 10, you lead them the way you led the first set of guys, right? To get their 100. So by the time your 100 guys are doing their 10 each, you are actually having another set of 10 people doing another 100 each. I mean, doing 100. So what it means is every month or every 15 days. Now, you got 10 people in the first 15 days. In the second 30 days, you go for 10. In the third 30 days, you go for another 10. So what you're doing is you are building more or less like three groups of 10 people to work with you. Now, the truth is this: if you even run this on just your first 10, by the fourth time period, which will be around the 90 days, you will have already made well over 7 million as at this point. But 7 million is a long shot. It's a long shot. So we are just looking at stopping at level 3 with the amount of work you need to do, or entry level 4, all right, not even completing it with your 1 million naira already in the kitty. It's really interesting, my people. Very interesting. So, because if you now at 10,000 PV, you get 120,000. At 25,000 PV, that's even before this fourth level is completed, you're getting 750,000 from there. So there's no way that the 1 million will not come to you. So it's pretty simple. Now, this is with the Pure package. Now, let me go to the Coral package. With the Coral package, you're going to achieve this almost at the same time frame, but you even make more money, even more than the 1 million. Now, let's look at the Diamond package. Now, look at the Diamond package. With the Diamond package is 50,000 naira. Like, let's say everybody is coming with 50,000 naira. With the Diamond package, you're doing already, you can even do this in 2 months, in 60 days. But because we know that some people say, no, I just want to try out the portal first, that's why we say the Pearl package. It's very simple, my people. It's very simple. Look, listen, you want to do 10 persons. Let me tell you what you need to do. It's very simple. Create a WhatsApp group. I hope you can all hear me. You create a WhatsApp group. You get a write-up from us, or you can create a good write-up. Send it to people as broadcasts, right? Put the link of your WhatsApp group there. They will join. Also, take advantage of the WhatsApp status. Put the link there, they will join. Now, once they come into the group, now not everybody may want to come into the group, but you have a lot of people on your contacts. So now when they come into the group, you educate them. That's the first thing you do. You first of all inform, then educate. You begin to get the people interested. Then those whom you know personally, you could even create a list and call them. There's no way that 10 persons will not warm up to you about them, because now many people who have done this, they've done 10 or more in their first week, first 10 days on this project. It's a very simple project. So it's not difficult. 1 million in 90 days is one of the simplest things to accomplish. One of the simplest things to accomplish. So what I'm just trying to say is, when you've gotten your 10, don't stop. Just keep getting more persons. When you keep getting more persons, that means you have actually compressed time even beyond your own understanding. It's really interesting, my people. Very interesting. So I'm expecting to hear from you. Really expecting to hear from you. Get on this. Look, it's so important that you get on this. It's one of the easiest opportunities anywhere on the internet. One of the easiest. readily available for you, readily available for everybody, because everybody is recharging, everybody's loading. So everybody's paying bills. Make sure, make sure, make sure you don't toy with this opportunity. It's very simple. So I'll leave the description of the registration. In the description section, I'll put the registration link, right? Then also how to fund and upgrade or activate your account. Then I'll also leave my contact so you can get in touch with me. We put in a group where we are guiding and grooming those who are going for the 1 million on this. We're also guiding and grooming those who are going for the 7 million. But we will all be in the same ship, pushing this for the same goals, or pushing for the same goals, or for our different goals with the same strategies, the same tactics, delivering for ourselves the kind of results that we want. So thank you so much. Expecting to see you sign up, get started, and let's do great things in 2023. God bless you.